Every step is a choice. Every choice shapes the future. At rollinggreens, we choose to go further. Around the world, every partnership begins with a conversation. We listen, we learn, we understand what matters most. Together, we turn ideas into solutions and trust into lasting partnerships. But true partnership doesn't end in the meeting room. It begins in the field. We walk beside growers, observe every challenge, and celebrate every improvement together. Because the best proof isn't found in presentations. It's found in healthier crops, stronger harvest, and the confidence of the farmers we serve.
农业的产品扩展，所以其他做育肥，有多元配方，不惜种植。
Inspired by nature, powered by microbial science, rollinggreens help crops grow stronger, improve yield and quality, while reducing unnecessary inputs. Better for farmers, better for the land, better for tomorrow. Let's roll with rollinggreens.